Hello, it is Thursday, February 18th. This is your Async math lesson. Hopefully earlier today during your afternoon meeting, I got through an assignment with you. Hopefully we got through everything and you did the little number puzzle. At least you started it with me earlier. And we're going to work on the second one here during the async as a little bit of review and practice together again. The one from the afternoon meeting, you need to make sure to upload it to the afternoon meeting. The one we do today in async, you do not have to upload this one, only upload the other one, because after we practice a little bit here, I'm going to ask for you to do this little two-sided quick little assessment on 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, 1 less, comparing numbers. So it's a pretty short one. There's no writing. It's just making sure that you know how to do your 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, 1 less, and compare those numbers, place value, and all of that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started so that we can get through this. Okay, so I'm going to show you first on the dot camera here. Remember our little number grid movement chart, okay? Remember that we go this way to add 1 to the ones. We go this way to take 1 away from the ones. So we go from 5 to 6, and then we go from 5 to 4, right? But then when we go up and down, we're changing the tens, okay? So these are our 10 sticks. And if we go up to this box, we're taking a 10 stick away from the 2. So instead of 20, you only have 10. And if we're going down, you're adding a 10 stick to the 2, so instead of 20, you have 30. So this is all we really need to know in order to solve these little puzzles, okay? And I'm going to move this off. You can use this on the other one to help you move back and forth, but we're going to use this grid to kind of help us as we work our way through these little puzzles. Shouldn't take us too long, and we're going to do it together, okay? So here we go. Let's start with this first one here. We know that we're starting with 12. We know that if we go this way, we're just adding 1. So we're counting on from 12. We're going to count on to 13. And then from 13, we're going to add 1 more. So we count on to 14. But if we go this way, we're going to take 1 away, right? So we're counting backwards. So what comes right before 12? That would be 11. Okay, just think of that as like counting on a number line because you're going sideways. Now, when we go up and down, these are our 10s, right? So we know we have 1 10 and a 12, right? So if we go down, we're going to have 2 10s, which would mean it would be 22 instead of 12. And if we go up, we're taking that 10 stick away. So now we don't have any 10s. All we have is a 2. Not too bad, not too hard. Okay, let's go ahead and work on this next one here. We're going to start with a 43. Let's go ahead and go sideways. So we know if we go 43 and we go 1 more, we're just counting on, that's going to be 44. And if we go 1 less, we're going to count backward. What comes right before 43? That would be 42. All right, now if we go down in our number puzzle, that means we're going to go from 4 10 sticks to 5 10 sticks. So that means we have 53. All right, now if we go over here to 42 and we go up, we have 4 10 sticks, but if we go up, we're only going to have 3 10 sticks. So that's 32. All right, and then if we look at 44 and we go up, we have 4 10 sticks. Now we only have 3 10 sticks, but we still have 4. So it's 34 instead of 44. And then if we go up again, we're going to take another 10 stick away, which means we're only going to have 24. Isn't that easy? Easy peasy. Let's go over here to do 55. So we're going to count on, we're going to go 1 more. So right after 55 comes 56. Now let's go this way. Backwards is a little bit harder because you have to go before, you have to get smaller, you have to count backwards. But right before 55 came 54 because 4 comes before the 5. Now what comes before 54? We need the number that comes before the 4. So it's still going to be 50, but it's going to be a 53 instead. Okay, now moving down here, we're going to be going 10 more. We have 50 right now, so if we add another 10 stick, it's going to be 63. All right, now this one we're going up. So we're going to take a 10 stick away. So instead of 50 or 5 10 sticks, we're only going to have 4 10 sticks. So that's going to be 44. Okay. And then if we look over here at the 56, we're going to take one of those 10 sticks away. So instead of 50, we're going to have 40 and then 6. All right. Not too hard. All right, let's go over here and do our 26. Now we get to just count on a couple here. So from 26, what comes right after? That would be 27. We're just counting on our number line and we go to 28. All right, let's go down. I always think that going down is easier because we're just adding on. So if we have 2 10 sticks here, now we're going to have 3. So it's going to be 37. And then from here, we have 3 10 sticks. So we're going to go to here, and that is 47. Okay. Now, if we go up here, we have to go up. So we're going to be taking 10 sticks away. So from 26, we have 2 10 sticks. We got to take 1 away. So now we're only going to have 1 10 stick with that 6. And the same thing for here. We had 2 10 sticks here, but now we're only going to have 1, but this time we have an 8. And then if we keep going up, we got to take that 10 stick away. So instead of a teen, we're just going to have 8. We have 0 10 sticks. Okay, let's go down here and do 49. Let's go ahead and we're just going to count sideways. That's always a little bit easier. So if we go, what comes right before 49? That would be 48. 8 comes before the 9. And then what comes right before 48? Right before the 8 would be a 7, right? So 47. All right, so if we go down from 47, that means we're going to be adding on a 10. So instead of 4 10 sticks, we have 5 10 sticks, so 57. Now 48, we're going to go up. So we're taking a 10 stick away because it's less, 10 less, minus 10. So instead of 4 10 sticks, it's going to be 3 10 sticks, but don't forget the 8, okay? And then over here, we're going to go down. We're going to add a 10 stick on each time. So instead of 4, we're going to have 5. So that would be 59. And then instead of 5, we're going to have 6. So that would be 69. And instead of 6, we have 7. So that's going to be 79. All right, now we got to do this little one over here, but we're going sideways again. So this is just taking 1 away. We're going to go 1 less, just like we're hopping backwards, right? So instead of 9, we're going to have a 78. All right, one more to go. Here we go. Starting with our 88, let's go sideways because that's just counting on. So 88 goes to 89. We're just counting on 1. All right, let's go ahead and go down. So instead of 80, 8 10 sticks, we're going to add a 10 stick on. So now that's going to be 99. Now here's where it gets a little tricky. So let's think about our 10 sticks. We have 9 10 sticks. We're going to add a 10 stick on, which is going to give us 10 10 sticks, which means we're up to the hundreds. And we got to add on that 9 at the end. So we went from 9 10 sticks to make it 90, and then we went up to 10 10 sticks, which made it 100. Okay, so 109. All right, now we're just counting on again. What would come after 109? Think about what comes after 9. 10, right? So it's still going to be 100, but instead of a 09, it's going to be a 10 to make it 10. Okay? All right, that's probably the trickiest one right there, these two problems right here. All right, now let's just go up the 88. So now we're going to be going 10 less, 10 less. So we're taking away a 10 stick. So that's instead of 80, it's going to be 78. And instead of 70, we're going to go up again, take another 10 stick away. Instead of 70, it's going to be 68. And then this one, easy peasy, just go one more. Okay, so this is going to be 69. All right, everybody, good job on that. Hopefully you practiced and you thought and you worked hard, because now what I want you to do, all of these papers, by the way, are in that new plastic bag I gave you guys, supply bag number 5. So this is a quick little, it's another little assessment. It's not really super huge, but we're focusing more in on the 10 more, 10 less, comparing numbers by our 10s and our 1s, okay? So remember, 10s are 10 sticks, and the 1s are cubes, okay? So in this first section, I'm just going to go over the directions really quickly, and then it is up to you to do all the answers. Has to be 100% you. You can't get any help from anybody, okay? And then you need to make sure to send me both pages, okay? This first section, you just need to put your greater than, your less than, or your equal to sign in the circle. So you're going to compare these two numbers. You're going to look and look at how many tens they have, and then look at how many ones they have, which one is more or is bigger, okay? And you're going to put your symbol in that circle. So don't forget, boys and girls, that you can draw those 2 dots to point to the bigger number, and then 1 little dot over here, and then connect it to the point, okay? If you're going the other direction, 2 dots on this side with 1 single dot in the middle over here, and then connect them and leave one of the sides open, okay? Think about that chomping alligator wanting to eat the most amount, okay? So the open side has to go toward that big number, okay? All right. Down here, you're going to tell me what 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less is. And you're even lucky I labeled the boxes for you. So this is just looking at that little, that little box grid that we were practicing the other day, right? So thinking about this in the number grid, you want to be visualizing that number grid because that's what that is. That's this, right? This is how we move on our number grid. All right, and then down here, so you do 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, 1 less here in the boxes. And then when you get down to here, you're going to use 89. And then you have to tell me 10 more on this line, 10 less on this line, 1 more on this line, and 1 less on this line. Now this is a little harder because you're not putting them in place. They're randomly spaced on the paper. So be very careful what you're looking at. Make sure that you know what it is you're doing, okay? And make sure you put them on the right lines, because if you put them on the wrong lines, they're wrong, okay? Now the back side, we're almost done. Now we're going to be doing 10 more, 10 less, but it's all written out in words. So what is 10 more than? What is 10 less than? These are words that you should all be able to read by now, okay? What is 1 more? Pay attention to the more and the less, and also pay attention to the number so that you know, is it 10 or is it 1? Is it 10 or is it 1? So make sure you're looking at that, okay? Now down here, this is still 10 more and 10 less, or 1 more and 1 less. Remember, you're looking at it now with a math symbol. When you think about your +1, that would be 1 more. If you're thinking about -10, that would be 10 less. If you're doing +10, that would be 10 more. And if you're doing -1, that is 1 less. So always be paying attention to the plus or the minus symbol. Now, these are the same way over here, but you're going up and down instead of sideways. Okay, so these are the horizontal equations, and then these are going up and down. You always start at the top and go down. So 22 minus 1. So think to yourself, is that 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, 10 less? And just think about that as you're giving those answers. And your answers for number 9, 10, 11, and 12 should go under the line. So under the line down here. So you're thinking 11 plus 10, right? So you're going to say 10 more than 11. 11 and then go 10 more. Okay, so just think of that plus and minus symbol as a language, right? They're telling you words by using those symbols. Okay, that is our math language, right? Okay, everybody, so make sure that you are completing both sides of this paper. You do not have to send this to me, okay? You can just keep it. Good thing to look at and study on. Take a picture of both sides of this and upload this to the Google Classroom for your async math. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.